Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I'm going to unbox this. I know a lot of you guys been waiting for it, just like me. This one's the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 smartwatch. This is the 44mm cloud silver, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi edition. So this is not the LTE cellular model one, okay? So don't be confused. This one's a $300 one. The one with the stainless steel and then LTE, they run about $450. So I actually pre-ordered this, and at first it was saying that it was gonna deliver around like October 24th. Somehow it got pushed back, which is I just got it today, which is on the 28th. And I was kind of mad because it was kind of late. And I missed my wife's birthday. This is my wife's birthday gift that I was going to give it to her. So it's kind of one day late anyway. So let's go and then unbox this real quick. I know I should have let my wife unbox it, but I want you guys to see it first. Oh, that's my invoice. So I'm not sure why they put it in this big box and just let this one watch banging around on this bubble wrap that it wasn't even wrapped in the watch. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. On the top, you got the Samsung by the hang cardboard, the tag right here. You got this nice accent of this colorful effect on the Active 2. Since she likes the silver color, I give her the silver color watch. Wow, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It is colorful. So my Samsung Note 10 Plus was made in Vietnam, and this is made in Vietnam as well. So this is a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, not the LTE or the cellular model. And this one's the aluminum instead of stainless steel. So let's go ahead and cut this tape open so we can unbox it. Alright, so inside the cover, you got this pamphlet. Not sure it's the instruction or what. So yeah, it is a quick start guide. Navigate, explore, charge, connect, activate. Calls a message, find your device. Let's go check out the watch real quick. What's this in the middle? Oh, the charger. Wow, so this one is kind of different than mine. Oh, so it said it like that. I was like, what? You're gonna scratch this with your all this sensor? Let me plug in real quick. Got my portable charging power bank here. So I'm not sure if it has juice or what. Most likely probably dead. Oh, 63%. So yeah, I have enough juice to do some review. I'll actually turn it on for you guys real quick. So here are the buttons right here. I think that's a microphone. You got the back button and the power button. So it does not have a rotating bezel like mine, okay? Mine has a rotating bezel. This is with the touch. So by the way, I purchased the stainless steel watch band like mine. Let me go get it real quick. So we got a quick swap. So I need to go download the app though before I go further. So let me go get the watch band real quick and then let's do some quick swap. In the meantime, let's let it charge. Alright, so this is the watch band that I bought. And it comes with the extra of those pin. In case you lose them or something, you could use this as a backup. Well, I need to use those two pins because somehow this one is embedded in there. Okay. So right here's a speaker. Let me take out this watch band just by pull the latch down, and then that's it. So be sure you gotta know which way. Okay, so that's this way. So you gotta insert a pin into the screw, and then you're gonna line up the hole. Okay, and then that's it. Gotta give it a jiggle and see, make sure it doesn't fall off. Make sure you set it in correctly. Then right here. By the way, this is very important. You don't want your watch band to scratch those sensors down here, okay? Because sometimes when you take it out and you tend to rub against it. Normally, I like to make it open so it doesn't scratch those sensor. flew out just like a rocket. What the? Look, I didn't lose it. Oh my gosh. So that's why I gotta be careful. Imagine you looking at it and then I flick it into your eye. Go blind. So it'd be looking like this, okay? So I will need to make some adjustment for her. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.